So now let's see how we can insert images from Google Photos inside of Google Sheets. So in order to do that, I'm going to go around over here onto the insert menu, and over here you can see image is an option. So once you go to image, you can see image in cell and image over cell is an option. So if I were to click on image over cell, then I'll get this menu right here. So in order to access your Google Photos, you need to go around onto the fourth tab where it says Photos. So if I were to click here, then what happens is that all of the photos in your Google Photos account will actually appear right here. So you can go around and let's say, for example, select this picture out just like this. And if I were to click on insert, then the picture will be inserted over here onto Google Sheets just like this. So as with any other pictures, you can go around and then adjust this around. You can resize this, place it anywhere, and so forth. So that is how you can insert images from Google Photos inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.